Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's still sleeping. I am taking my trailer today to the RV dealership to get it inspected. It's Stoltzfus RV. Go check them out in Adamstown, PA. And I'm about to drop it off. The only thing I'm worried about is when you drop it off, I can't really lock it up because they need to bring the trailer inside to get it inspected. So I'm actually going to just leave it there, not locked up. And usually I lock up the hitch and a few other things so people can't take it. Now if they want it, they can take it. No lock is indestructible, but I like to at least lock it up. But I do have my Waggle. It is a pet monitoring system, and the one that I have has a geofence. So I'm going to change the geofence to, like a kilometer. So if somebody does steal my RV and it gets outside that 1 kilometer radius, it'll give me a text and an alarm. So what I can do is get in my car, travel to where my RV is because it has a GPS, and see where it's at, call the cops, get my RV back. And so I like that system. It's just not a pet monitoring system. It is a good system just to see how hot it is in your RV, and it's not a deterrent because you don't want to display that it's a GPS, because the first thing you're going to do is break the door, get your Waggle, and throw it out. But if they don't know you have one, they can't look for it, because they're not going to break in your RV. They're going to take your RV and then get inside it somehow. So that's all I have. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me, show you how I set up, because it's been a while, because I might mess up. It's my camera.
Underneath the stars, we'll dance with the moon.
Let's go charge this baby up.
I've been wandering these empty streets, searching for the rhythm in my heartbeat. Lost my fire, feels like a heavy load. Every step forward feels like a winding road. Can someone show me the way back home? I don't wanna hide no more. Oh, take me away. Too cold in this endless rain. I'm tired of the struggle, hungry for a sign. Just wanna feel the sunshine, let it be mine. Winter's chill is creeping in my soul. Dreams of warmth are slipping, losing control. Stomachs growling, echoing my despair. Questions hanging, floating the cold air. Is there a light at the end of this track? I don't wanna hide no more. Oh, take me away. Too long, too cold in this endless rain. I'm tired of the struggle, hungry for a sign. Just wanna feel the sunshine, let it be mine. I lost my mojo, but I'll find my way. One step at a time, I'll seize a brand new day. In these empty streets, searching for the rhythm in my heartbeat. Lost my fire, feels like a heavy weight. Every step forward feels like winding road.
Well, I made it to Adamstown, Stoltzfus, and disconnected my trailer. Right there. That would be a good thumbnail. Oh, check that out. So I just want to make sure it's not damaged. Cool. Let me turn the camera around. Nothing's damaged in the rear. No visible damage. I got it chalked on both tires, both ends. Hopefully nobody steals it. No damage. No damage to the awning. Awning looks good. No visible damage. Everything's locked. They're going to be doing some tire maintenance. Hopefully it's all good. This door is closed. Double locked it. Ooh, I gotta make sure I drop the key off. My windshield cover is still there. I'm just gonna leave it on. Hopefully nobody takes it. Get the other side. Did I check this already? Yeah. Alright, so just in case there's any damage. See, I need to know it was like that, then I have videotape saying otherwise. Disconnect it. Oop, this is touching the ground. I don't want that. In case they drag it. There you go. Looks better. All my stabilizers are up. I prefer to put them down, but I think they want them up so we can just grab and go. Nice. So that was it. Let me get a good picture with Maxey. Cool beans. So that was it. Dropped it off. I gotta drop off the key, that's the last thing. But I want to mark my key tag with my name and stuff like that. So, alrighty. So without further, if you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
To red, white, and blue, we are never alone.